This video is going to have a look at acid rain, how it's formed and the effect that it has. Acid rain forms when fossil fuels are burnt that contain an impurity called sulfur. An impurity is something that shouldn't be there. So normally your fossil fuel like methane is just made up of carbon and hydrogen, but that impurity sulfur in there is something that reacts with the oxygen in the air. So what happens is when you heat your fossil fuel, normally complete combustion occurs, you get carbon dioxide and you get water. That all goes up into the clouds, carbon dioxide into the atmosphere as a greenhouse gas, water up into the atmosphere which goes into your clouds and forms your rain. However, when sulfur gets there, sulfur reacts with oxygen in the air to form sulfur dioxide. So the sulfur dioxide goes up into the clouds like carbon dioxide and like the water does, and it reacts with the water to form something called sulfuric acid. And this H2SO4, the sulfuric acid, is what is acid rain. So that's how acid rain forms. Now I'm going to show you the impact of it. When acid rain comes down, it can affect three things: statues, plant life, and pond life. The first thing with your statue is if it's made out of sedimentary rock like limestone, then it will erode it. Chemical weathering will occur and it will erode the statue away. If it reacts with plant life, it can do one of two things. It can slowly kill the leaves so photosynthesis can't occur, or it can get into the soil and react with all the minerals and kill the roots. And if it kills the roots, then the plants can't survive. And finally, if it gets into the water, it can make the water more acidic. And if it's more acidic, a lot of plants and animals can't survive in that, so they die. The final thing you need to know is what we do about it. So if you've got your fossil fuel here with your impurities in, your sulfur, when that SO2 is given off, we put something called acid gas scrubbers in there, and it's basically something that helps to neutralise that acid. So as it goes up, it reacts with whatever's in the side of your power plant in the chimney stack, and it gets rid of that sulfur dioxide, it neutralises it.